my KCET 2025 aspirants, so the counseling process has already started, verification slip is out. So now many of you might be confused about which branch to choose, which college to choose, what are the good colleges, what are their placements. So to help you with this, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the second most demanding branch, that is information science. Okay, so now here it is important to know that many top colleges have removed information science this year and have added those seats in different branches. But still, if you are interested in information science, these are the list of top 20 colleges that you can definitely consider. So I'll be talking about the cutoff for information science, the hostel facilities are there or not, the placements and the fees of the college. Okay, so remember, information science is a very important, trending and a demanding branch. So if you are someone who is aspiring to join in information science, then please watch the complete video. So coming to the first college here, so just a minute, coming to the first college we have is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. I know all of you might be aware of this college and it has a very good placements, and here we have the cutoff for information science is 3712. Now let me tell you that this cutoff is according to 2024 last round cutoff. Okay, and here hostel facilities is definitely there, and if you talk about the package, 48 LPA is the highest package and 7.66 LPA is the average package. Okay, now I want to tell you about the fees here. 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. And one more important thing is, this package is not for information science, it is the overall package, the highest and the low average package of this particular college. Okay, many of the institutes do not have this branch wise placement offers, so this is the in total average and the highest package of MSRIT. Now moving to the second college here we have is JSS Science and Technological University, again a very good college. Here the cutoff for ISE is 7249 according to the 2024 data, and then the highest package was 60 LPA, average package is 9 LPA, and the hostel facilities are there, and the fees is around 1,07,495. Again, this fees is according to 2024 fees structure that was released by KEA. This year there might be a hike or somewhere it might be different from this amount, but nearly it will be towards this number. Next, before moving to the third college, I want to draw your attention towards our Sankalp KCET 2026 batch. So those students who are watching this video can definitely recommend this series to your juniors, or students who are watching who are now in 12th, please follow this channel. You will be getting the entire syllabus coverage of physics, chemistry, maths and bio, and this is completely free on our YouTube channel. Okay, so we will be teaching you all the concepts, KCET PYQs, JEE PYQs. Even your CBSE students also can watch these videos. It is helpful for them as well. Okay, so moving to and this is very important, you can target 180 out of 180 through this batch, and it is absolutely free, 100% free in our YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are an aspirant of KCET 2026, or if you know someone who is an aspirant of KCET 2026, please pass this message to them. Okay, fine. Next, moving to third college is Saga College of Engineering. So here we have cutoff for ISE is 8795. Then you have highest package 56 LPA, average package 5 LPA. Hostel facilities, yes, definitely, and the fees will vary from 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have college number 4, Siddhaga Institute of Technology. This is located in Tumkur. Here the cutoff is 10,908 and you have 34 LPA highest package, 9 LPA average package, and yes, hostel is there, and the fees is around same 1,07,000 to 495 to 1,15,000. Next we have Bangalore Institute of Technology. Here the cutoff is 12,233. Then we have highest package 58 LPA, average package 10 LPA, hostel facilities, yes, and the fee structure is 1,07,495. Now moving to the 6th college, BNM Institute of Technology. So here you have the cutoff for ISE is 15,977 and the highest package is 22 LPA, average package is 6 LPA, hostel facilities is there and the fees is between 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have Shri Dharmasala Manjunatheshwara College of Engineering. Here the cutoff for ISE is 18,913 and then you have highest package 43 or 44 LPA and average package 6.59 LPA. Then you have hostel facilities and the fee structure remains the same because these are all private unaided colleges with unaided courses. Next we have CMR Institute of Technology. Here the cutoff is 24,796. 44 LPA is the highest package, 7 LPA is the average package and yes, hostel facilities is there and the fees lies between the same 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have Shri M. Vishweshwara Institute of Technology, SMVIT, which we call that popularly. 24,878 is the cutoff. 16 LPA highest package, 6 LPA average package and yes, hostel facilities are there and you have fees of 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have JSS Academy of Technical Education. So here ISE cutoff is around 26,042 and you have highest package 16 LPA, average package 6.5 LPA, hostel facilities yes and you have fee structure of 1,07,495. Okay. Now moving to the JSS Academy, only placement 2025 offers. You can see here that in case of CSE there was 107 offers and after that in information science there was 73 offers. Okay, so this was the second most important branch where the highest number of offers were made out of total 292 offers, right? So definitely if you are getting this college, you can if so for example you are not clearing the cutoff for computer science, definitely you can think of ISE. Next, moving forward to Saga Academy of Technical Education. So here you can see the cutoff was 31,692. Highest package 23, average package 6 LPA, hostel facilities yes and fees is between 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Okay. Next we have Shiadri College of Engineering and Management. Here the cutoff for ISE is 34,813. Highest package 43 LPA, average package 6 LPA, hostel facility yes and then fee structure is 1,07,495. Next we'll talk about 13th college, that is SJB Institute of Technology, Bangalore. It is located and the cutoff for this one is 35,098. 27 LPA highest package, 5 LPA average package and then you have fees ranging from 42,000 to 1,07,495 because this college has certain aided and unaided courses. So based on that the fees will vary. Next I have 14th college, PES College of Engineering, Mandya. So here the cutoff is 35,716. Highest package is 27 LPA. Average package, I could not find any official data regarding that. So this column is vacant and once I find it, I will update it in the comment section of this video. Okay. Next, hostel facilities, yes, and the fees lies the 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have Achara Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Here we have the ISE cutoff is 37,573 and here this is the average package. Okay, and again here also highest package data is unavailable in any of the websites or any of the college pages. So if I find that also I will attach in the pinned comment section of this video, or if anyone of you know about this then please let us know in the comment section. Next we have fees structure for 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. This is a very good chain of colleges that we have seen. Here colleges cutoff is 39,515. Highest package 22 LPA, average package 4 to 6 LPA and yes, hostel facilities is there and the fees varies from 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we have Javahar Lal Nehu New College of Engineering. So here the cutoff for ISE is 41,046. Then you have highest package 10 LPA, average package 4 to 5 LPA. Yes, hostel facilities, and the college fees is between 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next we'll talk about Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So here the cutoff is 46,001. And here you have highest package 53.5, average package 7.2, and yes, hostel facilities are definitely there, and the fees are 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next, talking about the second last college, we have Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology. So here the cutoff is 49,365 for ISE, 30 LPA for placement, highest and average package is 4.97 LPA, and yes, hostel facilities are there, and the fees varies from 1,07,000 to 1,15,000. Next, the last college of this list, that is BNM Institute of Technology, Davangere. Here you can see ISE cutoff for 57,000, average package is 4.5 LPA, and again the highest package data is unavailable. If you have, please put down. If I get, I'll also put down in the comment section. Next we have hostel facilities, and the fees structure is between 1,07,495, right? So yes. So that's all, students, in this video, and I hope this video would have been helpful for you. So if you are an aspirant of information science, then definitely do consider these colleges. Their placements are also good, and this your rank cutoff you have to check, and which colleges fit in your rank, you have to select those colleges. That's all in this video, and if you need any other video, please put down in the comment section. We will try to cater all your needs. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.